Welcome to Drafting and Design Center. Drafting and Design Center is a hybrid company providing consulting and training services across civil and structural engineering field. To know more about the services, please visit www.draftinganddesigncenter.com. In this short tutorial, I will go through how we can propose road profile using Civil 3D. As you can see here, I have a ground profile and I would like to create a road profile. This is a plan of the subdivision. This is a first street alignment and this is a second street alignment. To be able to create a profile, one should have conceptual idea about how the drainage will be stored and where it will be stored to. In this small subdivision site, I'm planning to create a detention pond somewhere else in here, which can contain the water from upstream as well as all the water from this catchment back in here comes into here in this space, and then from here it will treat it and then flow likewise to the river or catchment through underground culvert. So this is my conceptual tree. I would like to create a detention here. To be able to create detention, I will need to create a sack cow in this vicinity. The change is around 160 to 220. So let's go ahead and start to create a profile using Civil 3D. Click profile creation tool. It will ask you to select the profile view, which is this one. First street is my alignment. Name of the profile is profile of first street. You can put whatever you like. Profile label set standard, and click OK. It will ask to populate this panorama window. I would like to create a tangents with curve. First part of my profile, I will to create a curve somewhere else in this 200 change. Then I would like to go in here. Here. Come here and go here. And once you finish creating a profile, ensuring that the cut and fill minimize all your design criteria, and then check the VCs, length of the VCs, accommodating sag and crest curve. Once you finish that, you can then go ahead and modify the profile if you like. As you can see here, it will give you vertical curve. You can modify by clicking profile and go into this property. This will give you from this to this change, grade in, grade out, and length of the curve itself, and radius of the curve as well, K value as well. So you can check the minimum K value for your design speed, or you can design the curve and modify it. You can also change the curve length by double clicking here, and maybe double clicking the K value 12. 8. Could not solve. 7. 2. 1. 6. So you can modify from this editor as well. You can delete the entity by clicking this one here and click the entity which you would like to delete based on your design criteria, and then you can see the entity is now deleted. Press enter. So instead of defining, we deleted the crash curve, and then we created a PVI here. We can put the curve using parabola free vertical curve. It will ask you to select the first entity, which is here, next entity, which is here, and then defining k value, which is 5. So that's your length of the curve, and you can check it from here as well. 5 was the oh, 5 was the length of the curve, so that means we did put in a, so I will delete again. We did put in a length instead of k value. Click back in here, first entity, second entity, and then we have to put k, and then defining k as a 40, not 10. 5. It will say the curve best fitted to that geometry. Enter. So now we have created a curve. We can add the curve, delete the curve, modify the curve. We can delete the PVI itself. By deleting PVI, the entire curve can go away, and straight away it will connect from here to back in here. So these are the functions you can use to create a vertical curve. By clicking the profile, one will be directed to this screen, and then you can add the profile view property if you like to. So you select the graph, which is here, enter, and then you can change the criteria which you like. And then edit the profile style we have already discussed. All this labeling stuff is been already covered. So all these label are, as you can notice, that this is a grid break, crash curve, sag curve, all the values are there. You can add whatever you like from scroll down function. So this is a way of creating curves and ensuring that it aligning with the respective councils and standard criteria. We can now create a curves and coordinate the geometry with respect to 2nd Street. Now I'm going to do the profiling of this one here, which is Main Street. Similarly, I will select profile creation tool, select the profile view, 2nd Street, profile, standard labels, and draw a tangent with the curves. So minus 550, that is somewhere else away. So 3D. .380, which is here, is the point where it will aligning with the first street alignment. So basically I will 380 somewhere else. Somewhere else 380 is here, minus 380. So that will be our intersection point. So we have now completed the point of creating a profile of the second street. And so once again, this is just use of Observe 3D in profile creation. You can then adjust the parameter based on your design speed accordance with council selection criteria. Once again, if you have comments or any suggestion, please write us or get in touch with us. If you'd like to know more about the other services, please be in touch. Refer our website at www.draftinganddesigncenter.com. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye now.